Welcome to Toddler Tuesday. To make your own Clover photo frame, you need a piece of thin cardboard, green paint, green pom-poms, hot glue, a circular punch, a picture of your child, a paintbrush, scissors, and a shamrock template. Trace the template onto the cardboard, adding a long stem, and cut it out. Paint the clover green and allow it to dry. Punch or cut out the picture of your child and use glue to attach it to the center of the shamrock. Glue the pom-poms around the photo. Repeat until the shamrock and base are covered. You could also place a magnet on the back and display on the refrigerator. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.